May kilala ka bang laging nagkakasakit? Or feeling laging may malubhang sakit? Konting sakit sa ulo, tumor na, konting sakit sa dibdib, heart attack na. Baka naman hindi ito pag-iinarte. Baka naman ito na yung tinatawag nilang illness anxiety disorder. Illness anxiety disorder is when someone constantly worries about having a very serious illness. Kahit wala namang clear medical findings. Yung bang laging nagpapatingin sa doktor dahil feeling lagi may sakit. Minsan kapag okay naman yung laboratory at findings, hindi naniniwala at humihingi pa ng second, third, or even fourth opinion. Mas malala kapag nagsa-search na sa Google. At kahit sinasabi ng karamihan sa mga article na binabasa na hindi naman malala yung nararamdaman, ay hindi naniniwala. Ang pinaniniwalaan yung mga article sa nagsasabing malubhana yung nararamdaman. Pero, ang anxiety na nararamdaman ng isang taong may illness anxiety disorder ay totoo. At nakakaapekto na ito sa relationships, sa trabaho, at sa everyday life. Now, illness anxiety disorder is different from faking. They are not pretending. People with this kind of condition, they genuinely feel that there is something wrong. At hindi ito pagiging OA or praning ha. It's a mental health condition. But with the right help, therapy and support, a person with illness anxiety disorder can become better. So the next time na may nagsasabing feeling ko may sakit ako, please listen with compassion kasi baka hindi talaga feeling, may anxiety na pala. Kaya partner, laging tandaan, pangalagaan ang ating mental health.